Hi guys, usually you guys use different third-party apps to scan and convert files into PDF documents, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Drive as a scanner. Google Drive is a built-in app for all the Android devices. So first of all, open the Google Drive app. Now click on the plus icon which you can see in the lower right corner. From here you can see a scan option. Click on it. Your camera will open. Now pick the document and take the picture. Now click on the tick option. Here you can see they automatically crop the document. Now if you want to make any changes to the cropped picture, click on the crop option. And from here you can manually crop. After that, click on done. And if you click the color option, you can change the picture to different color. And now if you want to add another picture on the same PDF, click on the icon which you can see in the lower left corner. Again the camera will open. Now take the picture. After that, click on the tick button. Now you can see two photos in my PDF. If you click the same icon, you can add more photos. So now after all the editing, click on save. From here you can change your document title. And if you have multiple Drive accounts, you can choose which account this photo should save to. Here you can also choose the folder that you want this PDF to save. After that, click on save. Now you can see my PDF is successfully saved into my drive. Now if you want to send this to your mobile, click on the three dots which you can see in the upper right corner. And then click on download. And now it will be sent to your mobile file. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next one.